Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be learning how to garden and my dad's going to help me out, and you can see I have all the supplies my dad has got me. And let's get started. So the things we will be needing to do gardening is potting mix, pots, coriander, and some flowers. And let's now learn. So guys, you will be needing gloves to garden. So guys, as you can see, I have worn my gloves, and let's open it now. So guys, my dad helped me open this potting mix. You can see the potting mix inside, and now I'm going to be putting it in the pot. So, as you can see, I have put the potting mix in the pots, and I'm going to be putting the flowers in each one of the small ones, and these 3 corianders in the big one. So guys, by the help of my dad helped me put the flowers and the coriander in the pot. And now I'm going to be putting some a little bit maybe on the edges because it's not really properly. And let's do it. Wow, this will take lots. I'm starting with this one because I have a little bit. You can see I have organized. Me and my dad had organized it, and the pots are filled with potting mix, with the coriander, and the flowers with the potting mix, and the pots, of course. And now we just need to water it. So guys, as you can see, we're done here. The things you need to garden is pots, potting mix, some plants and flowers, and of course water and sunlight. So I hope you liked my video, guys. I learned a lot about gardening and planting. So hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye!